How to apply for Lloyds bank credit card online. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can apply for Lloyds bank credit card online, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to apply for Lloyds bank credit card online, all you have to do is just go to lloydsbank.com. Then you're going to be able to see this type of interface over here. Once you go to lloydsbank.com, and then if you want to apply for a credit card, you have to just make sure to go to the product and services section. Hover your mouse over credit cards and then make sure to click the credit cards option. Once you click on credit cards, over here you'll be able to see all of this. First thing we have to do is simply check our eligibility. So just click on the check our eligibility option. Now here you can just select check now. Make sure to click on that option. It will ask you a couple of questions over here. What are some of your title over here? What is your first name as well as your last name? Where were you born over here? So make sure to enter the date along with the month, along with the year. Then select your gender, then select your marital status, and then you can just go ahead and select all these options as well. Once you've done that, just click on the continue option. It will ask you for a phone number. Make sure to enter your other phone number. Once you fill in this form over here, it will figure out whether or not you're eligible, and once it figures out whether you're eligible, then you'll successfully be able to apply for Lloyds bank credit card. And you can also set different type of credit cards that you might find it over here. This way you'll be able to apply for Lloyds bank credit card. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.